Howdy, this is Dan from Ramona Shootists Emporium, here to talk to you about the Heritage Manufacturing Rough Rider pistols. The Rough Rider pistols are manufactured in the United States, in Miami, Florida, and they do come in a variety of different flavors, barrel lengths, and pistol grips. They do offer a 6-round and a 9-round variety. The 9 rounds currently are only available in .22 long rifle. However, the .22 long rifle guns can come with a separate cylinder to convert them to .22 Magnum. Doing so is fairly easy. I have my demo pistol right here. First thing we'll need to do is make sure that we're in fact empty. There's no rounds in the cylinder, so let's go ahead and take the cylinder out. Push in here, pull our cylinder pin out. Make sure that pin comes all the way out. There we go. The cylinder then rolls out. We'll swap it with our Magnum cylinder. Now with these 3 inchers, it's a little bit tight. So sometimes you got to fiddle around with it a little bit. Now putting the cylinder pin back in should be easy. You shouldn't have to force it. There you go. You're ready to go with .22 Magnum. They do have 4 clicks, just like the old Colt. So if you want to go to full click, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is basically how you're going to fire the gun. These are single action guns, which means they're just like the old West. Every time you want to shoot, you got to pull that hammer back. However, that does make them a very nice training tool for somebody looking to get into shooting and doesn't want to spend a whole lot of money. All the varieties in front of me are under $200, from the color case hardened 9-round variety to the combos with the .22 Magnum cylinder. They do come in a different variety of barrel lengths. Currently the most available ones are the 3.5 inch with a bird's head grip, the 6.5 inch, and the 4 3/4 inch for those of you who are purist about the 1873. These firearms are available in a 6-round or 9-round configuration. The 9 rounds are only for .22 long rifle. They do offer a color case hardened version as well, in addition to the black. These pistols also have a number of different varieties when it comes to grips. The standard is the Cocobolo red wood that you'll see here, but they're also available in a fake pearl and a couple of other embellishments such as American flags if you're interested in that. Come on down and get yours today at Ramona Shootists Emporium. We're located at the corner of 7th and Main in Ramona, California. Visit our website, ramonagunstore.com.